I just did some research through Google, read some reviews, and then GaragePlug kept coming up, so I decided to just give it a try, really. And since we've been using it, it's been great, honestly. Like, I mean, if I have to be honest, I don't tend to use it as much now. I probably use it quite often on my phone, just to recap what's going on. My receptionist, she uses it quite often. The accountant, they use it every day, actually. And I'm always asking them, is it fine? Are there any issues? Because I know that you guys have a good support team also. So maybe for the first couple of weeks there were some questions, some things they weren't sure about, but they were able to get answers immediately almost, and everything was resolved. So they're very happy with the system. And for me personally, it's great that I can access once I'm home, when things are a bit calm. I just open my phone, log into the app, and then I can see everything that's happened throughout the day, throughout the month, and it's quite easy for me, which is good. It's really, really good.